In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to Google Drive. If you're looking to organize your digital space and make your important documents accessible from anywhere, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To begin with, ensure you have a Google account. If you're not logged in already, navigate to Google Drive and sign in using your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your Google Drive homepage. It's essentially your cloud storage space provided by Google, where you can keep your files and folders safe and easily accessible. On the left-hand side of the main interface, you'll notice a button labeled New in bold. Go ahead and click on that. This button is crucial as it offers you several options to bring content into your Google Drive. From uploading files and folders to creating new documents, all these actions start here. Let's talk about uploading a single file first. After clicking New, you'll see an option that says File Upload. Click on it. This action opens up a familiar dialog box on your computer. Take a moment to browse through your system folders to find the specific file you're looking to store on Google Drive. Once located, select it and hit Open. The uploading process will commence immediately, and in a few moments, your file will be safely stored in the cloud, accessible from any device connected to the internet. Now let's move on to uploading entire folders. This option is incredibly helpful when you want to back up collections of related files. Once again, click on that New button, but this time select Folder Upload instead. Similar to uploading a file, another dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your directories. Choose the folder you'd like to upload and confirm your selection by clicking Open. You'll notice the folder and all its contents starting to upload to your Google Drive, making organization and access a breeze. As these uploads progress, you can monitor their status on the bottom right of your Google Drive window. It's a good practice to ensure that all files and folders are fully uploaded before closing your browser or shutting down your computer to avoid any mishaps with incomplete uploads. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient method to upload both files and folders to your Google Drive. Whether it's documents, photos, or entire projects, using Google Drive ensures that your information is both secure and readily available whenever you need it. So that's all for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to leave any questions or comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to enhance your digital life. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day organizing